what is double spending? So let's understand. So, for example, I want to send a picture. I click the picture on my phone and I want to send it to Shaurya. How will I send it? I can WhatsApp him or I will email him, right? But have I really sent that picture to him? The answer is no. I've just sent a copy to him. That picture is still in my phone. Shared a picture, a copy with him. I've not transferred that picture from my phone to his phone, right? The problem of double spending was what we did with the photograph, that it became double. If I send it to 100 pictures, it becomes 100. But in order to solve that, we use an intermediary in between. So what they do is they make sure that if I'm sending 500 rupees, it's getting deducted from my account and getting added to Shaurya's account. Similarly, what if we want to do it without an intermediary? So that's why blockchain was created. And its first use case, that Bitcoin was created. Bitcoin is used to transfer money from my account to Shaurya's account without any intermediary. We don't need any bank because the code of the blockchain take care of it.